Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can generate AI photos of yourself. I'm going to be recommending an app for you. There are so many apps out there that you can use to generate AI photos for yourself, but the app I'm going to be introducing to you guys today is actually top notch. The accuracy and precision with which this app generates AI photos that looks like you is actually mind-blowing. This app is going to generate AI photos that looks exactly like you, almost 100% like you. The resemblance of the AI photos to the real you, to your real picture, is actually much that is going to marvel you. So guys, let me go ahead now to tell you the name of this app. The name of this app is called Remini AI Photo Enhancer. Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So guys, what you have to do right away is to go over to your Play Store in case you're using an Android, or you go over to your App Store in case you're using an iPhone, then you search for Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android phone. So let me search for Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So guys, now I've opened my Play Store. Let me tap on the search icon at the top left corner. Then let me search for Remini AI app. So guys, you can see the app there. That's the second option, the red and white logo. Let me tap on it so you're going to see it clearly. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, can see the app right there, Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So guys, what you have to do is to go ahead to check about this app. You can scroll downwards. You're going to see that this app has a review of 4.2. You can see the arrow pointing at it, which means people are actually saying good things about it. Let me scroll to the left. So guys can see here it has over 100 million downloads. That means over 100 million persons are actually using this app and it's giving them their required results. So guys can check about this app. Once you're done, you can go ahead to download and install the app. So guys, what you have to do is to download and install the app. Once you download and install the app, then you tap on open. As you can see, I have downloaded and installed this app into my phone, so there's no need doing it for the second time. So now let's go ahead now to tap on open. You can see where the arrow is pointing at, so let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see this is where you're going to be brought to once you've successfully downloaded and installed your app. So guys, here they are asking us to set up our AI profile. You can see what is written there. Pick your gender. We only need this information to better select the model images to generate your photos. So guys, what you have to do is to select your gender. So let me tap on female since I want to generate AI photos for a lady. So let me tap on the first option, female. So guys, once you're done choosing your gender, you tap on continue down below. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here's the second step of setting your AI profile. You can see what is written there. Show us how you look. Knowing how you look will allow the AI to create amazing photos of you. So guys, you have to upload 8 photos of yourself to this app so that they're going to use the 8 photos that you upload to them to generate AI photos for you. And for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written upload 8 selfies. You can see down below the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see it has directed us to our phone gallery. So let me tap on open gallery at the top right corner. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, let me go ahead now to select the pictures I want to generate AI photos from. So guys, let me select them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So guys, I've selected 11 pictures. The minimum that you can select is 8. So guys, let me tap on open at the top right corner. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see down there, these are the 11 pictures I selected from my phone gallery. You can see it. So guys, let me tap on continue. So guys, here's the next step. They're asking us to pick a model image. Our AI will generate AI images of yourself with the overall style and composition of the model image you pick. So guys, you can see we have so many model images that you can pick from. You can see, let me keep scrolling downwards so you see them. There are so many outfits, so many hairstyles, so many outfits that you can use, summer outfit, winter outfit, so many outfits that you can use here. So guys, you can go ahead to choose the model image that you want. Any model image that you choose here, that model image will be used to generate your AI photos. Let's say for instance you choose this model image right there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. The woman on an officer's uniform, the woman wearing the police uniform. If you choose that model image, this AI app will generate AI images of you putting on the police officer's uniform. So guys, that's how it works. Any model image that you use here, any outfit that you use here, you're going to see yourself wearing that outfit. You're going to see yourself on that hairstyle and the rest of it. So guys, now let me go ahead now to choose a model image right away. Which am I going to choose right now? So guys, let me choose this model image right here. You can see the arrow pointing at it. The woman on a black blazers and a red top and a red trouser. So let me tap on it. So let me tap on use this image. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see what is written there. We are working on your photos. Estimated time is 7 minutes. So guys, you have to wait for 7 minutes for you to get your AI photos. Guys, you can also see what is written down there. Don't worry, the first time takes longer, the next will take less than 1 minute. So guys, what that means is that if you're using this app for the first time, it's going to take a longer time to generate your first AI photos. But if you're using it for the second time or the third time or the fourth time or thereabout, it's going to take less than 1 minute for you to get your AI photos. So guys, let's just wait for a few seconds and our AI photos will be out. Let's just be patient. So guys can see the AI app is done generating our AI photos. You can see what is written down here. Your first photos are ready. We have created a set of photos with your chosen style. So guys, now let's tap on take a look to see the AI photos. So let's tap on it. Wow guys, you can see this AI photo is so beautiful. The AI photo is looking so much like the real person, is looking so much like the image I uploaded to the app. So guys can see the resemblance is so mind-blowing. So guys, now let me show you guys what to do. For you to actually save this photo, what you have to do is to swipe to the right, and if you want to delete in case you don't like anyone, then you swipe to the left. And also you can also use the delete icon and the save icon. You can see the save icon on the right hand side while the delete icon is on the left hand side. So guys, whichever option that you want to use will work out fine for you. So guys, now let me save this since I love this. So let me swipe to the right. I love this one as well, so let me swipe to the right. Wow, this is so beautiful, so let me swipe to the right. I love this too, this is so looking good, so let me swipe to the right. I don't like this, so let me swipe to the left. Wow, I so much love this, so let me swipe to the right. Wow guys, you can see we've saved our AI photos. So guys can see here they've generated an AI video for us. So guys can see that this app doesn't just generate AI photos for you, but they also generate AI videos. So guys, for you to actually save this video now, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written save video. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see saved in gallery. So guys, for you to cancel out, you have to tap on the cancel icon. You can see that at the top left corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, here for me to generate more AI photos using that model image I chose before now, what I have to do is to tap on where it is written generate more. You can see the arrow pointing at it. But if I actually want to change the model image, what I have to do is to tap on where it is written change model image. You can see the arrow pointing at it down there. So let me tap on it since I want to change my model image. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see we are back to this place where you can actually choose a model image. So let me choose another model image right away. Which am I going to take now? So guys, let me take this one right here. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. Then let me tap on use this model image. You can see it there. Let me tap on it. So guys can see uploading your model. So guys, now in the next few seconds now our AI photos will be ready. So let's just wait for a while. So guys, while we're waiting for the app to generate our AI photos, there is something important I would love to tell you guys. So guys, this AI photos you're generating normally comes with a watermark, normally comes with a logo. If you're generating AI photos using this Remini app, you're going to find out that the Remini watermark, the Remini logo is normally situated at the base of the AI photo. So guys, in case you want to know how to remove the Remini watermark, in case you want to know how to remove the Remini logo, I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description of this video. Once you're done watching this video, go over to the description of this video. You're going to see a link to a video that will teach you how to remove the Remini watermark from your AI photo. So guys, now let's continue. Let's just wait for this app to generate our AI photos. Wow guys, can see the AI app has generated AI photos using the model image that we just picked. Wow, this is looking so beautiful and exactly like the real person. So guys, now let me go ahead now to save this. So let me use the icons right away. So let me tap on the save icon now since I love this. I don't like this one, so let me tap on the delete icon on my left hand side. So let me tap on it. I so much love this. Is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Let me tap on save. I love this as well, so let me tap on save again. I love this, so let me tap on save. I love this too, let me tap on save. So guys can see once again it has generated for us an AI video. If you want to save it, then you tap on save video, but I don't want to save. Let me cancel out of this right away. So guys, now you can see once again it has showed us where we can generate more using the model image that we picked. And also if you want to change your model image, then you tap on the option down. So let me tap on the option down. So guys can see this is how you can go ahead now to generate AI photos of yourself. What you have to do is to keep choosing the model that you like. Whatever model that you like, you pick it. Whatever outfit that you like, whatever hairstyle that you like, just go ahead to pick it and the app will generate the AI photos that looks like that model, and the AI photos will normally look like you. So guys, there's something important I want to let you know. Once you open this app for the first time, you're going to be asked to subscribe to the app. You're going to be asked to subscribe with your debit card. But guys, you don't need to pay a dime to actually use this app. You can actually use this app for free. So guys, I've made a dedicated video on this my channel, or you can find the link to that video on the description of this video. You're going to see a video link there that you can watch that will teach you how you can actually enable free trial in this app, how you can actually use this app for free. So guys, what you have to do right away is to go to the description of this video, tap on the link so that you're going to learn how to use this app for free. So guys, there's something else I want to show you guys in case you want to generate AI photos for another person, maybe your friend, your sister, your brother, whichever person that you want to generate AI photos for. For you to actually generate AI photos for that person, you need to upload 8 photos of that person to this app. And for you to do that, you have to go over to the settings of this app. So guys, you can see the setting there at the top right corner. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now under the settings, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written retrain AI model. You can see it there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to tap on where it is written delete model image. Once you tap on yes, delete model, the 8 photos that you uploaded to this app before will be deleted. Then you'll be asked to upload the 8 images of the person that you want to generate AI photos for. So guys, that's how it's done. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.